Once we have created an AWS account and we are at the console home, it's time to create a user. To do that, we have to reach to our profile name on the right top of the page and click on Security Credentials. Once we are here, we need to reach to the Access Management sidebar and click on Users. Then we have to click on Create User. First thing we need to do is assign the user a name. You don't have to accept this checkbox. Then get to second step by clicking on Next. Here you have to set the permission options. The one you have to select is the third one, Attach Policies Directly. Then we have to select the permission policy. The one that we are going to select is the second one, called Administrator Access. Make sure you have selected and scroll down and click on Next. Finally, you need to review all the details, and if everything is okay, click on Create User. As you can see, the user has been created successfully. Now, we will be getting the access keys, which are very important to use in Brender Studio. First of all, you need to click on your username. Here, you'll need to reach to Create Access Key. Now we have to select a use case. The one we are selecting is the first one, Command Line Interface. You have to accept the confirmation and click on Next. If you want, you can set a description tag, but this is an optional step. If not, just click on Create Access Key. You'll see that Amazon gives you two different access keys, a normal one and a secret one. Both of them are really important. I recommend you to keep them on a safe place because we will need them later. You can also download a file with both of the keys. Once you are ready, click on Done. And we already have our access keys.